There are many ways to make money online. Here are a few ideas. 1. Start a blog or website and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling digital or physical products. 2. Become a freelancer and offer your services, such as writing, editing, or social media management, on websites such as Upwork or Freelancer. 3. Sell products or services through an e-commerce website, such as Etsy or eBay. 4. Offer online courses or tutoring services through websites like Udemy or Teachable. 5. Join affiliate programs and earn commissions by promoting other people's products. 6. Participate in paid surveys or focus groups. 7. Become a virtual assistant and provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely.
ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತಲುಪಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ವಿಕಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಯೋಗದಾನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.